Let's make a black tea daiquiri. A daiquiri, in order to be a daiquiri, at least in my mind, has to have three things. It has to have rum, it has to have lime juice, and it has to have sugar in some form. In order to make a flavored daiquiri, you have to change the flavor of one of the three things. You either have to change the flavor of the rum, or you have to change the flavor of the sugar, or you have to change the flavor of the lime juice, which you can't change the flavor of the lime juice, so you add another juice. In the case of this black tea daiquiri, I have made a black tea syrup. And the recipe for this is on the channel. Link will be down below if you'd like to check it out. A note on the rum. In a daiquiri, I typically use a white rum. In this case, I'm going to be using Trader Joe's Rum of the Gods. If you want to make a better daiquiri, feel free to use a better rum. And if you find one that works brilliantly in this drink, feel free to let me know what it is. To make this drink, we are going to start with our lime juice. I'm going to put 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice into my shaker. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of your black tea syrup. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And 2 ounces of your rum. 2 ounces is 30 milliliters. Add some ice, and give it a shake. Let your cap fly off. Strain into your coupe. The traditional glass is going to be a coupe. And garnish. A lime wheel would be great. A lime wedge would be great. I have a dehydrated lime wheel, so I'm going to float that on top. And there you have it. A black tea daiquiri. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is your favorite flavor of daiquiri? Let me know in the comments down below, and I just may make it. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. All you have to do is contact me through the social media links down below. You can have a t-shirt. While you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.